Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the engine cover that needs to be removed so you can access the spark plugs. Take off the plastic engine cover using the socket screwdriver and a 25mm Torx socket for the 2 visible screws. Using a flathead screwdriver, free the fastening tabs by pushing down on the studs. You should now have access to the 4 ignition coils that need to be removed so you can access the spark plugs. Disconnect the electrical part of each plug. To do this, lift the small plastic hood. To take out the coil, use a thick flathead screwdriver. Insert it between the coil area and the plastic lump. Use the lump as a support to level the screwdriver and take out the coil. At the same time as you lever, put the coil upwards with the other hand. We suggest being very careful not to get the coils mixed up with each other. Using a socket wrench and a 14mm spark plug socket, loosen the spark plug, finishing the process off by hand. Tip: if the spark plug wrench doesn't have a click system to hold the spark plug and pull it out, you can use the coil. Insert it onto the plug and using the coil for the final turns, release the plug. You should then be able to take it out easily. Use the coil to screw in the new plug back in. Once the thread has caught, finish screwing it in with a spark plug wrench, tightening it with 1/16 of a turn. Replace the ignition coil. You'll hear a click when it is correctly put in place. Reconnect the electrical terminal. To do this, the locking hood must be lifted. Insert the terminal, then push the hood downwards. You can now repeat the process on the other spark plugs. Once you have finished, put the engine cover back on. Clip it into the plastic tabs to begin with, then lower it down so you can fix in the 2 screws with a Torx screwdriver. Operation completed.